Have you ever wondered if living simply could actually make you wealthier? In a world dominated by consumerism and social media, adopting a modest lifestyle might be the key to financial freedom and genuine happiness. The irony of wealth is that you don't have to look rich to be rich. Today, we're going to explore the profound benefits of living modestly and why keeping a low profile can lead to greater rewards. Let's dive into 7 compelling reasons why looking poor is actually the smart way to wealth. 1. Looking rich is the quickest way to going broke. Have you ever seen professional athletes or celebrities who suddenly come into money and then, just as quickly, lose it all? It's a common story. Many people equate being rich with looking rich, buying expensive cars, designer clothes, and big houses. However, the reality is that this kind of visible wealth is often the fastest route to financial ruin. When you focus on looking rich, you're likely to accumulate liabilities, things like high mortgages, car loans, and credit card debt. These liabilities eat away at your income and leave you vulnerable to financial shocks. If your income stops, your expenses don't, and you can quickly find yourself in a financial hole. On the other hand, living modestly allows you to avoid these pitfalls. By driving an older car, wearing simple clothes, and living in a more modest home, you can save more money, build an emergency fund, and invest in assets that grow your wealth over time. The goal is to have more assets than liabilities, and looking poor can help you achieve that. 2. Looking rich burdens you with liabilities. When you decide to look rich, you often end up with a lifestyle full of liabilities. A fancy car might come with a hefty auto loan and a big house with a high mortgage. These liabilities can quickly become a burden, making it difficult to save and invest. Living modestly means fewer liabilities and more opportunities to invest in assets, things that generate income or appreciate over time. By limiting your expenses and focusing on building assets, you create a financial buffer that can protect you from unexpected expenses and help you grow your wealth. 3. Breaking free from the cycle of endless want. Why does that new car or latest gadget lose its charm so quickly? It's the hedonic treadmill. Every time we achieve something new, the excitement fades, and we find ourselves yearning for the next big thing. Social media magnifies this pressure, making us feel compelled to spend more to appear successful. Scientific research backs this up. Once basic needs such as food, shelter, and healthcare are met, additional income has little impact on overall happiness. We rapidly adapt to our new level of wealth, and what once felt like a significant improvement soon becomes ordinary. Think about the last time you upgraded your smartphone. Initially, it was thrilling, but how long did that excitement last before the next model caught your eye? Living modestly helps you step off this treadmill. By choosing to live simply, you free yourself from the constant need to compete and buy new things. This decision brings inner peace and contentment that material possessions can't provide. You start appreciating what you have rather than constantly seeking more. If you're finding value in these insights, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. We're committed to helping you achieve financial freedom and personal growth, and your support means a lot. Now, let's continue exploring why modest living is the key to true wealth. 4. Regaining financial freedom. Have you ever felt trapped by the need to maintain appearances? Many people find themselves stuck in high-paying jobs they don't enjoy just to afford luxury items. This lifestyle can be stressful and unfulfilling. By reducing unnecessary spending and focusing on long-term goals like education, skill development, and financial security, you can regain your freedom. This approach allows you to pursue passions that bring true joy and fulfillment. The empowerment that comes from financial freedom outweighs the temporary satisfaction of new purchases. Financial freedom is not merely about having a large income. It's about having the ability to make choices that align with your true desires and values. When burdened by debt or the pressure to maintain a certain lifestyle, choices become limited, stifling creativity and inhibiting personal growth. Moreover, financial freedom offers the luxury of time. Time to explore passions, nurture relationships, and engage in activities that bring joy. Imagine the peace of mind that comes from knowing you can take a sabbatical to travel or spend quality time with loved ones without worrying about the next paycheck. This level of freedom is priceless and often results from mindful financial planning and prioritizing long-term goals. 5. Embracing simplicity and reducing stress. Albert Einstein once said, A calm and modest life brings more happiness than the pursuit of success combined with constant restlessness. Modern studies support this, showing that financial stress is a major source of anxiety. Living within your means and avoiding unnecessary upgrades can help prevent falling into survival mode. When you live modestly, you create a financial cushion that allows for taking risks, exploring new opportunities, or simply enjoying some time off. This peace of mind and flexibility is invaluable. Survival mode extends beyond finances. It impacts overall well-being. Financial stress affects mental health, relationships, and even physical health. Chronic stress from financial strain can lead to anxiety, depression, and a host of other health issues. By simplifying our lives and focusing on what truly matters, we can mitigate these negative effects and create a more balanced and healthy lifestyle. 6. Living authentically. Why do people often misrepresent their financial situation to attract others? Many individuals exaggerate their wealth to appear more attractive, but this leads to shallow and unfulfilling relationships. Authenticity is crucial for building meaningful connections and a fulfilling life. True wealth is about inner confidence and security, not outward appearances. Many genuinely wealthy individuals choose simplicity over ostentation. They understand that living authentically and valuing inner qualities over outward appearances is key to building lasting and resilient relationships. Living authentically also means aligning actions with values. When prioritizing authenticity, choices are made based on what truly matters, rather than societal dictates. This alignment leads to a more harmonious and satisfying life. For instance, choosing a career based on passion rather than prestige can lead to greater fulfillment and long-term happiness. 7. True wealth doesn't need to prove itself. People who try to look rich are often drowning in debt. Their lives are funded by car loans, high mortgages, and maxed-out credit cards. They're trying to prove their wealth to others, but true wealth doesn't need to prove itself. When you have real wealth, you don't feel the need to show it off because you have freedom, security, and options in life. Living modestly allows you to use money as a tool to live the life you want, rather than as a means to impress others. This mindset shift is empowering and leads to a more fulfilling and balanced life. Living simply and modestly can lead to greater financial security, freedom, and genuine happiness. By breaking free from the cycle of endless want, regaining financial freedom, embracing simplicity, and living authentically, you can create a more fulfilling and balanced life. This journey towards simplicity is not about deprivation. It's about making conscious choices that align with your values and enhance your well-being. It's about finding joy in the present moment and building a future that reflects your true self. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you enjoyed this video, check out our other content on financial success and personal growth. See you in the next one.